I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get Netflix on PC. Now, if you want to download Netflix app on your PC, watch this video until the very end to know exactly how to do it. Now, before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be notified for any of our new uploads. Let's move on to the video. Now, search for Microsoft Store on your device. Now once you open up the app, search for Netflix and tap on Get button to download the app. Once you tap on Get button, your app will start to download. And here our app has been downloaded. Now tap on Open button to open up the Netflix app. And now tap on Sign In button to get logged into your Netflix account and enjoy watching Netflix on your PC. And that's how easily and quickly you can get Netflix on your PC. I hope you liked this video and found this video helpful. If you're there, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.